Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. We are back here with another Lowe's find. This is the WEN Oscillating Belt and Spindle Sander. Lowe's was kind enough to gift this to us. We've been looking for a big sander like this for a while now, and Lowe's was kind enough to help us out with that. So, if you guys are interested in this sander at any point during this video, there will be a link to it at lowes.com down in the description below and the pinned comment as well. If you use our link, it helps the channel out a lot, and we really appreciate that. Anyway guys, we're going to tear right into it, so let's get started. Got our owner's manual. Looks like we got some different spindles there. Figure those out once we get everything all the way unboxed. Oh, small one I missed. Got some tools, washers, some sort of rings there, and some sandpaper. And there's the big belt attachment there. Looks like that's it. Go ahead and get the plastic off everything. So take a look at the manual here and see how we get this thing together. Also comes with a packing list so you can get a good look at everything that's supposed to be in the box with the sander. I don't know if that's going to be clear enough for you guys to see that or not, but hopefully it is. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the belt sander part. We'll remove that piece, and we'll also take out this table insert. And then this will slide down right onto it, like so. There's a washer that we'll put on there first. Get that good and snug there. There's a lever up here on the top that tightens down the belt onto it. And then this bolt right here adjusts the actual tension. So this lever just sort of loosens it up a good bit, as you just saw, so that you can actually take the belt off. But that actually adjusts the tension for once you have it locked into place. Anyway, that should be good to go. Alright guys, just a reminder, this will be available at lowes.com. We'll have a link to it down in the description below and the pinned comment as well, so be sure to go and pick one up if you're in the market for one of these. Definitely looking forward to actually testing this one out. We'll be getting to it here very shortly. Alright guys, just a quick rundown of the features here. You've got storage for each one of the spindles here. They can just sit right in there. Like so. You got the on button right here. There's a reset button around the side. You got these knobs here on either side that can adjust this plate. It can swing down a little bit there. And then on the back of it, you've got a spot to put the belt sander attachment when you're done with it. And there is also a shop vac hookup on the side.
Good evening and welcome back. Tonight, messing around with the new sander that we got from Lowe's. Changing out the belt sander attachment for one of the spindles. I already had the plate and everything out here in the lean-to for that. A couple quick things about this. Love the sander. It does great. Not had any issues with it. The only complaint about it is no dust collection. But given the fact that it's sitting up here doing all the work, there really not be a good way to put dust collection in. So, break out the box fan. You get the idea. Blow the sawdust out of the lean-to. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do this in real time. So, follow along. Took that nut off. Slide your unit out. I'll set this aside because that's going to go back in at some point. Next, you've got your insert, followed by another insert. We are doing the 1 inch on this one, just for the demo. Slide your spindle over, followed by the washer, and then tighten it down with this nut. Snug this up a little bit. And for the demo tonight, we're going to clean up this decorative cutting board. There we go. Nice and clean. Now, cleaning these up sometimes is easier with the belt sander attachment versus a spindle, but I've got plenty of footage showing how the spindle works great for these. So I figured I'd show how quick and easy it is with the spindles. And yeah, that's pretty good. If you're in the need for something like that, and I know for me personally, what has always deterred me from some brands has been the fact that they are less expensive or not a name brand. I think WEN has definitely cut themselves out a good chunk of the market in the fact that they offer a great tool at a competitive price. And so far, everything I've used of theirs, I've enjoyed. So definitely give this one a 10 out of 10. So yeah, about it.